Can these 5 vegetables boost your performance by 70%? Men's sexual health. Are you exhausted from trying everything, eating all sorts of foods, but still ending up with zero results or worse, a complete lack of vitality? The feeling that you're somehow broken or inadequate in front of the woman you love is a silent pain that's slowly eroding your masculine identity. Amid a flood of confusing information about hybrid foods and toxins, you're gradually losing faith and don't know where to start to restore your manhood. But listen to this, everything can absolutely change. The problem isn't your effort, it's that you need a precise scientific roadmap to combat the effects of modern lifestyle and stress. In this video, I'll reveal 5 golden vegetables and fruits that are scientifically proven to improve sperm quality and boost testosterone levels. You'll be amazed by the 70% improvement from one incredibly affordable fruit, tomatoes. And don't miss the secret about garlic, the ultimate weapon that enhances blood flow and stamina without leaving any unpleasant odor. Plus, I'll expose the 3 silent killers that sabotage your results even when you eat perfectly. It's time to reclaim your vitality and take control naturally. 5 golden vegetables, tomatoes, the shocking 70% improvement. This is probably the section you've been waiting for most, as it involves a number that can completely transform your sexual health. The power of lycopene. Tomatoes are the richest source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce abnormalities, increase count, and significantly improve sperm motility. The telling number. A groundbreaking study from Cleveland Clinic proved that men who consumed lycopene-rich foods improved sperm motility by up to 70% in just 3 months, protecting the sensitive area. Beyond improving fertility, lycopene is known for protecting prostate health and preventing DNA damage caused by stress and environmental toxins. Resolving information confusion, ketchup versus fresh tomatoes. Many wonder if ketchup is beneficial. The truth is that processed or cooked tomatoes like soup, sauce, or tomato paste contain far more bioavailable lycopene than raw tomatoes. However, avoid industrial ketchup loaded with sugar and chemicals. Specific dosage. Maintain the habit of eating 2 to 3 cooked tomatoes or 1 cup of homemade tomato soup daily to achieve that 70% improvement you've been hoping for. Garlic, the weapon for stamina and blood flow. If you're looking for a natural solution to improve erectile function and extend performance time, garlic is the key you can't overlook. Why does it solve your problem? The biggest issue for many men isn't just sperm quality, but maintaining strength throughout intimacy. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound that improves blood circulation throughout the body. When blood flows better, oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered to the testicles and genital vascular system, helping erections occur naturally and last longer. The nitric oxide secret. Here's what most doctors won't tell you. Garlic triggers your body to produce nitric oxide, NO, the green light signal that commands blood vessels to expand at full capacity. When no levels surge, blood rushes to the critical areas faster and stronger, delivering natural hardness that lasts. This is the exact mechanism that prescription medications mimic, but you're achieving it through pure food. Hormone balance. Garlic also helps boost selenium and vitamin B6 levels, vital factors for sperm formation and male hormone regulation. Natural prescription. To maximize allicin content, eat 1-2 raw garlic cloves daily. Expert. Tip. Crush or mince the garlic and let it sit in the air for about 10 minutes before eating to fully activate allicin. Addressing odor concerns. I know many of you worry about garlic breath affecting social interactions. Rest assured, just use 1 tablespoon of honey or a glass of milk right after eating to quickly neutralize the odor. Carrots. Accelerating to the finish line. If you're worried about your sperm swimming too slowly for conception, carrots are the most scientifically backed answer you need. Ironclad evidence. A Harvard University study proved that men who regularly eat carrots have sperm motility 6.5% higher than those who don't. How it works. This power comes from beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in the body. It not only protects sperm membranes from damage, but also significantly improves their ability to swim forward. Resolving the hybrid debate, I know many worry that carrots are hybrid foods. For absolute peace of mind and to avoid information confusion, look for organic carrots or heirloom varieties at health food stores. Specific dosage. You don't need to eat pounds of carrots daily. Just maintain 2 medium carrots, about 5 Oz, in your daily diet to provide sufficient beta-carotene to protect your reproductive system. Broccoli, protecting. Sperm from clumping. Broccoli isn't just a healthy food, it's one of the best foods for improving both sperm count and motility. Why won't your sperm move? A common problem is sperm clumping together, preventing them from moving freely and making conception extremely difficult. Broccoli contains extremely high levels of vitamin C, acting as a protector that prevents this clumping and ensures your sperm move freely and effectively. Testosterone balance. This vegetable also contains folate and zinc, two essential nutrients that maintain testosterone hormone balance, the key to male desire and strength. Addressing hybrid food concerns. I understand many worry that broccoli is a hybrid food. For maximum peace of mind, choose organic broccoli and prioritize steaming or light cooking to preserve all valuable enzymes and nutrients. Natural prescription, aim to eat about 5 Oz, equivalent to 1 cup of broccoli daily. You can add olive oil or lemon juice to enhance flavor and benefits. Spinach, fuel for inner strength. Spinach isn't just a green vegetable. It's one of the most powerful foods for improving sperm motility. Why does it solve your problem? Many of you feel desperate due to low sperm count. The reality is that low folate, vitamin B9 levels lead to abnormal sperm or DNA damage. Spinach is packed with folate, ensuring each sperm cell is formed healthy and genetically accurate. Connection to male vitality. What few tell you is the role of magnesium in spinach. It not only fights harmful free radicals, but also acts as a natural blood vessel dilator, improving blood flow to strategic areas, directly supporting your erectile function. The nitric oxide amplifier. The magnesium in spinach doesn't just fight oxidative stress, it's the spark plug for nitric oxide production. More no means blood vessels stay relaxed and open longer, translating to stronger, longer-lasting performance when it matters most. Natural prescription. For effectiveness, consume about 3.5 to 5 Oz, equivalent to 1 to 2 cups of spinach daily. Addressing oxalate concerns. For those worried about oxalates causing kidney stones, a small tip, briefly blanch the spinach in boiling water or cook lightly instead of eating completely raw. This preserves folate while removing most harmful oxalates. The missing catalyst, pumpkin seeds, zinc. These 5 vegetables are powerful, but here's what most nutrition guides miss. They need one catalyst to unlock 200% potential, zinc. Why zinc is non-negotiable? Zinc is the raw material your body uses to manufacture testosterone. Without adequate zinc, lycopene and folate are like a Ferrari with no fuel. Your body simply can't convert these nutrients into actual hormonal power. The simple addition, sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds on your salad or blend them into smoothies daily. This tiny habit provides 30% of your daily zinc needs, turning these 5 vegetables into a complete vitality restoration system. The 3 silent killers, what destroys your results. I must warn you, even if you religiously eat all 5 golden vegetables, these 3 things will completely sabotage your progress. 1. Refined sugar, the testosterone assassin. Sugar spikes insulin, which directly blocks testosterone production. Just 75 grams of sugar, 1 can of soda, can drop your T levels by 25% for hours. If you're drinking sugary beverages while eating broccoli, you're taking 1 step forward and 2 steps back. 2. Alcohol. The DNA destroyer. More than 2 drinks per day increases estrogen and damages sperm DNA at the cellular level. If you're serious about that 70% improvement, limit alcohol to weekends only, or eliminate it entirely during your 90-day restoration phase. 3 processed soy products, the estrogen imposter. Unfermented soy contains phytoestrogens that mimic female hormones in your body. Avoid soy milk, soy protein isolate, and plant-based fake meat products during your recovery period. The brutal truth: if you eat these 5 vegetables but continue drinking soda, eating junk food, and consuming processed soy, your result will be exactly 0. Nature rewards consistency and punishes contradiction. Daily dosage summary table. For easy reference and tracking, here's the specific dosage for each vegetable daily. Tomatoes, 2 to 3 tomatoes or 7 Oz. Cook for 5 to 15 minutes. Lycopene, 70% improvement. Garlic, 1 to 2 cloves. Crush, let sit 10 minutes. Allicin plus no. Blood flow. Carrots, 2 medium carrots, 5 Oz. Eat with fat oil. Beta-carotene, sperm speed, broccoli, 5 Oz, 1 cup. Steam or blanch, 2 to 3 minutes. Vitamin C, anti-clumping spinach, 3.55 Oz, 2 cups. Blanch 30s or raw, baby spinach. Folate plus magnesium, DNA protection, pumpkin seeds, 1 to 2 tablespoons, raw, unsalted, zinc, testosterone catalyst, cooking tips. Tip 1, processing garlic. Always crush and let sit for 10 minutes. This is the golden rule you cannot skip if you want real Allicin and nitric oxide benefits. Tip 2, cooking tomatoes. The more cooked, the better. 5 to 15 minutes. Don't eat raw if your goal is sperm improvement. Heat releases lycopene. Tip 3, eating carrots. Must eat with fat. Olive oil, butter, coconut oil to absorb beta-carotene. Without fat, absorption drops by 70%. Tip 4, broccoli. If cooked over 5 minutes, vitamin C will lose 50%. Blanch quickly and immediately plunge into ice water to lock in nutrients. Tip 5, spinach. If concerned about oxalates, blanching for 30 seconds is enough. If using baby spinach, eating raw is fine. Tip 6, smart. Combining. In each meal, try to have at least 3 out of 5 of these vegetables. Any meal with all 5 is excellent. 90-day roadmap to restore vitality. By now, you have the list of 5 golden foods that can completely transform your sexual health. However, to avoid falling into the trap of effort without results, you need to understand your body's natural laws. Persistence is key. The male body needs about 74 to 90 days to produce and nurture a completely new batch of sperm. Therefore, don't give up if you don't see results immediately. Maintain this diet as a sustainable lifestyle for at least 3 months. The cortisol trap: why stress kills. Results: here's the brutal truth most health channels ignore. Chronic stress produces cortisol, the hormone that directly cancels out the benefits of lycopene, allicin, and folate. When cortisol floods your system, your body prioritizes survival over reproduction, shutting down testosterone production regardless of how perfectly you eat. Combine this nutrition plan with 10-15 minutes of daily stress management, meditation, deep breathing, or even a quiet walk to let these nutrients actually work. Holistic approach. Food is the foundation, but don't forget to combine with regular exercise, especially strength training, stress management, and 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. These are synergistic factors that help your testosterone levels surge most powerfully. Final message: you are not broken or inadequate. You just lacked the right roadmap to awaken the hidden power within yourself. Conclusion. Nature has graciously provided us with simple, natural foods that can create tremendous changes for men's health. From spinach that protects DNA and amplifies nitric oxide, carrots that boost sperm speed, to the amazing 70% improvement from tomatoes and the powerful blood flow enhancement from garlic. However, I understand the pain of those who have tried hard but haven't seen results. The key point is this: the male body needs about 74 to 90 days to complete a cycle of producing and nurturing completely new sperm. Therefore, don't despair if you don't see an immediate explosion of results. Persist in following this menu as a new lifestyle for at least 3 months. Additionally, remember that food is only part of the big picture. When you combine these 5 vegetables with pumpkin seeds for zinc, eliminate the 3 silent killers: sugar, excess alcohol, processed soy, manage stress to control cortisol, exercise regularly, and maintain good sleep, you will truly transform your reproductive health and boost your sexual performance in the most natural way. If you found this video helpful and want to continue the journey to reclaim male vitality based on authentic scientific evidence, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications right now. Don't let information confusion hold you back. On this channel, we're committed to bringing you the safest, most natural, and most transparent men's health solutions. Question for you: which food will you start adding to your dinner tonight to begin your 90-day journey? Leave a comment below, and I'll personally answer all your questions about dosage and preparation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next scientific secrets about men's health. Thank you for watching, stay confident, and see you in the next videos.